Hello and welcome back to this lessons on Qlik Sense beginner class. Today we are going to go through how we load data into Qlik Sense. Before we start the class today, I would like to do a quick recap on the things we covered in the first lessons. On the first lessons, we covered how to create a Qlik account, which will bring us to this main page here. For those who did not attend the first lessons, just quickly go through on how to create a Qlik account, and hopefully you can get into this page here. Alright, let's begin our lesson today. In this page here, at the very bottom of the page, you will see your apps here. I'm going to remove this app first so that you can get the same view as mine. Alright, at the very bottom of the page here, you can see there is a drop file here. So I'm going to drop the dataset file here, which you can download it at the downloadable section. Let's drag this into here, click on replace if there is any window pop out, and QlikSense will prepare the data. Once it is ready, QlikSense will open the app. So right now, QlikSense is still preparing the data. And once QlikSense has completed preparing the data, you can click on all the fields here, and QlikSense will come out with some generated chart, which is some of the recommended charts which we can later add it into the sheets. We have a scatter plot here, okay, and there are two more ways to load data into QlikSense. The first one is we can use the data manager, and the other one is to use the data load editor. Now we will take a look on how do we load data using the data load editor. Alright, now we can see here QlikSense has generated a load script here, which is the data loaded into QlikSense previously. So I'm going to delete this script here, and I add a new section here. Click on the add button here, and then I will call this the product section. Okay, now at here we can see a button here which is select data. Click on it, and then we can select the file here. Let's click on select, and we can see the table name is located at the left corner here, and the field names are shown here. Now let's click on insert script here, and QlikSense will generate the load script here. Let's call this table as product load editor. Alright, now let's click on load data here, and then let's close this window, and I can view my table using the data model viewer. Okay, and this is my table here. So if you want to look into the content of the table, you can click on this button show preview, click on it, and then this is the table that we have loaded into QlikSense. Alright, so next we will look into loading data with data manager. Let's click on this add data button here, and we can drag a file here. Let's drag in the dataset here. Click on replace if there's any window pop out, and then data manager will also give us a preview of the table. Let's click on the next button. And now we see there are two tables here. One is the product table loaded from the data load editor. The other one is created using the data manager. Once everything is completed, click on load data. And we can go to sheet here. Let's click on go to sheet, and QlikSense will bring us to the dashboard. Okay, so we will go through on the process of how to create our first dashboard in the next lessons. And that's all for the lessons today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next lessons. Thanks and bye bye.